On this day in June of 2020 something, I had scheduled to have multiple dents removed from our Acura NSX and Ford Flex using paintless dent repair. We are members of the Avance Car Club, so we got a discount using Dent Ninja out of Portland, Oregon. First up, our aluminum NSX had a crease in the hood that I could see, but I'm not sure if others could. This bothered me since a lot of people take photographs of the front of this car. Here you can see them working on the dent from the backside. The lines on the light helps find the dent. And this is what it looks like now. I am extremely happy with the outcome. The dent is nearly undetectable. If you get very close at a very low angle, you might be able to see where it used to be. The rear quarter panel had about 5 of these dimples, which were quite noticeable. To have the best access, I removed the rear wheel and fender liner. This is what an NSX looks like behind it. They massaged all of the dents out and seriously knocked it out of the park. I can't find where any of these used to be. Next up was my wife's Ford Flex. It had quite a few dents along the front hood, which is also aluminum. This is not a show car, but we really love this twin turbo beast, and the dents really bothered me. Because of the way this hood is made, it was best to pull these using glue. You can see some of the marks here. This is what it looks like now, and what a huge difference. I wasn't sure what to expect since I've never seen this kind of work done before. These guys really blew me away. I could not be happier. Dent Ninja was easy to work with, showed up on time, did amazing work, and gave me a great price on their work. I can't thank them enough. If you are considering paintless dent repair, join Avance, give Dent Ninja a call, and let them know that I sent you. As a disclaimer, I use their services as a normal Avance member. I paid for their services. They did not know that I had a channel, nor am I getting any kind of kickback. I am genuinely happy with their service. Year was 2020 something, and that's the year you liked and subscribed to our channel. See you next time!